Man, I meant
get a hold of yourself.
I hope you see this.
What are you doing?
That is not right.
You put a hair in. Why would you intentionally put a hair in the cupcake? I thought you said you took a hair out of your head and put it in the cupcake.
No, I had to look up that. Dude, I would not eat that.
Oh,
Would you eat that? Would you
would.
eat that? Well, I
Like-
mean, this looks like a little damage, so that kind of looks.
I think they look
Ew.
great.
Thank
You licked it?
You're dirty. Oh.
Well,
Can I
they're
just put
sprinkled.
icing on this and people be happy with it?
I mean, if they're boring and, you know.
Yeah, just put like chocolate icing on.
At least you have icing, ungrateful child. You want some of this? You want some of this?
Yes, clearly.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is what came of that.
All over.
Dear Park.
Hello, Parkville. This is Sarah Diaz speaking.
This is going on like my Facebook.
And your local weather update.
Today it will be cloudy
Hey!
with a chance of sparkles.
I thought you were going to say cloudy with a chance of meatballs.
That's what I was gonna say.
It would have been better.
Yeah, sparkles are better because you know. Hey, look, it's the Earth. I mean.
He goes, hey, look, it's an earth.